Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and we've got a oscillating saw blade set, and it's replacements. You know, blades will always wear out, and here is a whole set, 29 pieces, and let's open it up and see what we get. First off, you get a little case here like this, and we open this up and you get a little booklet here, instruction manual. And they give you a little product list and all the dimensions, plus I'm going to be putting information to the upper right that will help you, so pause and read as you want to. This will fit a lot of different oscillating saws, so it does fit mine. I checked it out, and there's a compatibility chart up there. All right, let's just examine what we get. Now this looks like the workhorse section right here, so I'm going to take these out, and lots of blades here. Now these little gold tips here, they I believe are for the metal, and they like a little hacksaw blade. It will cut bolts and nuts and metal pipes, you name it. And here's some other type. There's different thicknesses and widths. And you see here's some smaller ones for doing the various jobs that you might need. So it's an assortment of sizes. As you get projects, one blade might work better than another, and that's what you have to find out. Okay, right here. And you even get, these are adapters for the different types of oscillating tools that might not fit directly on that you need the adapters. And these are cool. This is almost like a circular saw blade, but it's a semicircle, and it will do basically what a circular saw will do, and you get a couple of those. That's pretty cool. Now let me get my my oscillating saw. And if you'll notice, it's got that head that these will fit on right here. This will fit. Well, actually you got to lift this up like that, and then this will fit right in there. You got to do it far enough, and then this will fit down into those holes right there. There. And you can do it like that, and then that closes. But if you need, sometimes you can't get the machine in at that angle, you can put it at a side angle, any kind of angle that you need. There. There. Like that. You may have to be able to go in from the side. Something is blocking you from being able to go straight in. And it fits into the little holes, the head. So close that down, and now we're ready for a project. Now let me point out, you've got all of these measurements for showing you how deep you're going, and to help you get to that particular point, and you can stop, so you don't have to have tape or anything like that. I've got this drywall screw, and we're going to try it out and cut it flush with this wood. Okay, here we go. And I got some glasses on. Safety glasses will do good. want to get my hand out of the way of this, and you might want to do the same thing. Actually, they're almost through, but the vibrations with me just having it in a little bit just wiggled it until it come out. We have a nail here. This will be a good demonstration. I've driven this nail in. It's not going to loosen up. Okay, now we're gonna saw this off. Oh, let me get my glasses on. Always glasses. Perfect. A wood dowel. Let's go and try that. And I'll put her right in here. And I'm just going to cut a little bit off of the end. I'll just get right up here. And now we will see how this is going to go. Now, get this out of the way. And I'm just going to cut a little bit off right here. And here we go. I can cut a straight line with that pretty good. Okay. Nice. Now, let's try a plastic that I was going to try. Right here is some plastic tubing. Now I know that would do it. Let's try one of the other blades that they show. Wood and plastic, so it actually says what it is on there. And this is some nice teeth on there that are really, looks like they would do wood and everything really well. Let's see, I'm going to try this like this and see how that works. Just kind of going down with it. See, I can kind of go down like that. Okay, it's on. And now I'm going to show it to you. And I can get it straight. It's really cut well. Look at that. Nice cut. This is going to really be a great tool for a lot of applications where you want to dig something out, like make a hinge recess. This can do it. And you've got enough blades that you can do the job. Okay, I like it. I want to thank you very much for watching my video.